In the realm of long-lived creatures, we often think of tortoises plodding through centuries, redwood trees reaching skyward for millennia, or beloved naturalists like David Attenborough gracing our screens for decades. Fish, however, rarely enter this conversation. Yet, hidden in the waters of an artificial lake in the Arizona desert, a remarkable story of Piscine longevity has emerged, challenging our perceptions of fish lifespans and showcasing the power of citizen science. The buffalofish, an unexpected centenarian. The protagonists of this aquatic tale are the buffalofish, members of the genus Ichthyobus. These freshwater fish, native to the Great Lakes and Mississippi River system, have been found to routinely live for over a century, with some potentially reaching ages of 120 years or more. This discovery places them among the world's oldest living animals, a distinction shared by only one other fish genus, the marine rockfishes. What makes this finding particularly intriguing is that these long-lived buffalofish aren't found in their native habitats, but in Apache Lake, an artificial reservoir in Arizona created by the construction of Horse Mesa Dam in 1927. The fish were originally introduced to the area in 1918, when the Bureau of Reclamation stocked the newly created Roosevelt Lake with buffalofish. Over time, some of these fish made their way to Apache Lake, where they have not only survived but thrived for over a century. The Arizona anomaly. The presence of these centenarian fish in Apache Lake is anomalous for several reasons. Non-native habitat. Buffalofish are not native to Arizona's desert environment. Artificial ecosystem. Apache Lake is a man-made reservoir, not a natural habitat for these fish. Isolation. The lake's remote location has allowed the fish population to remain relatively undisturbed. Despite these factors, or perhaps because of them, the buffalofish in Apache Lake have achieved remarkable longevity. This raises intriguing questions about the adaptability of species and the potential benefits of reduced human interference. Longevity and aging in buffalofish. The study of the Apache Lake buffalofish population has revealed several fascinating aspects of their longevity. Centenarians as the norm. Unlike most animal populations where extremely old individuals are rare, centenarians appear to be common among the Apache Lake buffalofish. Multiple long-lived species. At least 3 of the 5 buffalofish species are capable of living over 100 years, with research still pending on the other 2. Absence of age-related decline. Unlike humans and many other animals, buffalofish don't seem to suffer from physical decline as they age. Improved health with age. A 2021 study found that older bigmouth buffalofish tend to have improved immune function and lower stress levels compared to younger individuals. These findings challenge our understanding of aging invertebrates and open up new avenues for research into the biological mechanisms of longevity. The power of citizen science. The discovery of the long-lived buffalofish in Apache Lake is not just a story about fish, it's also a testament to the power of citizen science. The data for this groundbreaking research was largely collected by volunteer anglers fishing in Apache Lake. This collaboration between scientists and citizen scientists has several advantages. Cost-effective research. The involvement of volunteer anglers significantly reduced the cost of data collection. Access to remote locations. Apache Lake's remote location might have made it challenging for scientists to conduct regular studies, but local anglers could access the site more easily. Non-invasive data collection. Most fish were caught, photographed, and released, allowing for data collection with minimal disturbance to the population. Large sample size. Citizen scientists were able to collect data on a larger number of fish over a longer period than might have been possible for a traditional scientific expedition. Research methodology. The study, published in Nature Scientific Reports in 2023, used a combination of methods to determine the age of the buffalofish. Otolith analysis. For 23 fish that were donated to scientists, researchers examined the otolith, a structure in the inner ear that forms rings as it grows, similar to tree rings. This method provides the most accurate age determination. Visual inspection. Researchers found that buffalofish develop age spots after 40 years, with more well-defined spots appearing after 80 years. This allowed them to estimate the age of fish that were photographed and released. The results were astounding. Almost all of the specimens examined were older than 80 years, with some potentially being the same individuals stocked in Roosevelt Lake in 1918. Mysteries and unanswered questions. Despite the wealth of information gathered about the Apache Lake buffalofish, several mysteries remain. Absence of young fish. All fish captured during the study were at least 40 years old. The lack of younger individuals raises questions about the population's reproductive patterns. Spawning behavior. Despite examining the reproductive organs of dissected specimens, researchers have not documented spawning in Apache Lake. It's unclear whether the fish are breeding and if not, why. Environmental factors. The role of Apache Lake's unique environment in promoting longevity is not fully understood. How do factors like water chemistry, food availability, and lack of predators contribute to the fish's extended lifespans? Genetic factors. Are there genetic differences between the Apache Lake population and buffalofish in their native habitats that contribute to their longevity? Implications in future research. The discovery of the long-lived buffalofish in Apache Lake has several important implications. Conservation. Understanding the factors contributing to the buffalofish's longevity could inform conservation efforts for these species in their native habitats, where they are at risk of extinction due to overfishing. Aging research. The buffalofish's ability to live for over a century without apparent age-related decline could provide valuable insights into the biology of aging. Ecosystem management. The success of the buffalofish in an artificial ecosystem raises questions about the adaptability of species and the management of introduced populations. Citizen science. This study demonstrates the potential of collaborations between scientists and the public in conducting valuable research, particularly in remote or understudied areas. Future research directions might include genetic studies to identify potential longevity-related genes in buffalofish. More detailed examinations of the Apache Lake ecosystem to understand environmental factors contributing to fish longevity. Comparative studies between the Apache Lake population and buffalofish in their native habitats. Investigation into the reproductive patterns and potential barriers to spawning in Apache Lake. Conclusion. The story of the Centenarian buffalofish in Apache Lake is a reminder of the wonders that can be found in unexpected places. It challenges our preconceptions about fish lifespans and demonstrates the complex ways in which species can adapt to new environments. Moreover, it highlights the valuable contributions that citizen scientists can make to our understanding of the natural world. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Apache Lake buffalofish, we may gain new insights into the biology of aging, the management of introduced species, and the conservation of freshwater ecosystems. This unexpected discovery in an artificial desert lake serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of continued scientific exploration and the potential for surprising discoveries in even the most unlikely of places. The buffalofish of Apache Lake, swimming through decades and perhaps centuries, invite us to reconsider our understanding of longevity in the animal kingdom and the potential for life to thrive in the face of environmental change. Their story is not just about fish living long lives. It's about the enduring capacity of nature to surprise and inspire us, and the valuable insights we can gain when scientists and citizens work together to explore the wonders of the natural world.